Hi guys, this video is all about a complete guide to your ideal wardrobe. I did be happy to give you a complete guide to your ideal wardrobe. Your ideal wardrobe should consist of versatile pieces reflect your personal style and cater to your lifestyle. It's all about finding the right balance between fashion and functionality. Number 1. Know your personal style. Take some time to figure out what style, colors and pattern you feel most comfortable and confident in. This will give you a great starting point for selecting clothing and accessorizing that suit you best. Number 2. Invest in basics. Build your wardrobe around some essential pieces that can be mixed with match easily. Think classic items like a well-fitted pair of jeans, a white shirt, a little black dress and a tailored blazer. These timeless basics will serve as the foundation for countless outfits. Number 3. Dress for your body type. Understanding your body shape can help you choose clothes that flatter your figure. Whether you have an hourglass, pear, apple or rectangle shape, there are specific styles and curves that can enhance your best feature and create a balanced silhouette. Number 4. Consider your lifestyle. Take into account your daily activities and what kind of clothing you need for various occasions. If you work in a professional setting, invest in a few key workwear pieces. If you are active and enjoy outdoor activities, prioritize comfortable and functional clothing. Your wardrobe should be tailored to fit your unique style. Number 5. Embrace trend selectivity. While it's fun to experiment with current fashion trends, remember to choose one with align with your personal style and flatter your body type. Don't feel obligated to jump on every trend movement. Reflect the one that resonates with you and make you feel confident. Number 6. Quality over quantity. Instead of filling your wardrobe with numerous inexpensive items, opt for quality pieces that will last longer and withstand the best at time. Investing in well-made garments will not only make you feel better, but it's also sustainable in the long run. Remember, your ideal wardrobe is all about expressing your individuality and feeling your best in what you wear. Have fun exploring different styles, experimenting with new looks, and most importantly, wear what makes you happy and comfortable. I am here to help you for a complete guide to your ideal wardrobe and fashion journey. These suggestions are meant to inspire you and help you create a fabulous and unique look. With confidence and style, you will rock these beautiful tips for ideal wardrobe and feel amazing in what you wear. Embrace your creativity and enjoy the process of creating your perfect collection. Just remember, we all are beautiful in our unique way and style. Wishing you the best in your fashion adventure. If you need more suggestion or help anything else, feel free to ask. Embrace your beauty shine and keep being amazing. Hope you like an amazing content and don't forget to subscribe for watch more such videos. Thank you guys.